Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Saturday February the 20th 2021. We have only 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star, Tectonic with 4 stars. Then we have binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will do. Even tomorrow I won't do it. Continue because I'm a little bit ill. Yes. A little bit infected with the corona. Yes, that's true because I have a positive test. So, and I'm recovering now. Anyway, the 3 star Sudoku will be number 2, 3, 5, 8, and I have counted all the printed digits in these puzzles, Sudokus. This one is 25, but also the 4 stars has also 25 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. 826. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this big square, so no 4 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes in this column. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are missing in this column. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 1. We have a 5 and a 1 in the first row, so no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and the 7. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the middle column. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And then alright, 6. Here should be a 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6. So no 6s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this second row for the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2 are missing. 7 and 2, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8, we see here and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row. For the numbers 4 and 9, 4 and 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the last row, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5. 4, 2. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 9. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3. Those 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3, the 5, and the 8. 3, 5, 8. And look, we have a 3, 5 in this column. So no 3, 5 in this box. The 3, 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And 6, 1, 4. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. This should be a 5. Then 2 boxes left in this column. For the numbers 4 and 2. 2 and 4 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2, and all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 1, digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 5 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this here. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in the middle row, the 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left, the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great. 3 Stars Sudoku. Is it really a 3 stars? Well, maybe 1 star or 2 stars, but not a 3 stars. A 3 stars, I need 20 minutes. A 4 stars, 30 minutes. All right. So, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku of this additional A4 Stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.